we're back. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been about 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video. I swear it's just because I've been working on multiple projects at the same time. You all know how it goes. We start one project, we get halfway through, something new comes out, we see something, and we get inspired. So that's exactly what happened. You can actually see I'm here behind me. I got 4 sweaters currently for videos that I have to finish. I have a review video for the Karen Skinny Cakes. This is knitted with hand-dyed yarn, and this one over here is part of the new Big Cakes line. But anyways, today we have some good news. We have an unboxing. I have some mail. I want to open it up here with you guys so that way you guys can see this incredible yarn. I always say that hand-dyed yarn is an art form, and it truly is, because just the visions of some of these people of how they can see color in their mind and bring it physically here to the real world is just unreal. So let's open this. This is what I ordered. I ordered definitely one of each color, but I ordered 2 of the purple, which is very Witchcraft. But look at this photo, because I want you to see how close this photo is to the yarn. Just by seeing right now, just this first one, it is amazing, and I want you to feel how I feel looking at this yarn right now. Okay, so here's a photo. That's what I ordered. Ready? And this is what I got. Oh my god. It's kind of shiny through the plastic, but if you can see that color. So I moved everything around in this video specifically for this reason. I wanted you guys to see this yarn in natural sunlight and early in the morning Chicago, where there's no blue filter, no yellow filter, nothing. So you're seeing it as I'm receiving it. And this is, guys, look at this. Wow. So it arrived in this nice plastic sealing with a very strong glue base here. That's loud. I don't know if you can hear me. So let's pull out our first colorway, you guys. Or let's just pull them out. This is, guys, look at this. Are you able to see? Look at that. Guys, look at how the light is just hitting this yarn. Like, it is, I'm looking at the screen of my phone as I'm turning this. That is insane. That is insane, guys. Look at that, the pop of color. In this purple one, I call it like a thermal rainbow. So you know how like in the Weather Channel you can see heat signatures? That's the kind of rainbow that this reminds me of. But that is all 4 colorways. So there's 4 colorways in this. I'm assuming she made a theme around these in terms of a pop of rainbow over a neon, not neon, but like a very bright color. So what can I say, guys? This is undeniably amazing quality. This saturation just in my hands doesn't smell bad. It feels super soft for being the fiber content that it is. So let's go over exactly what this yarn is, guys. So this is Sock Obsessions yarn. This is Fairy Witchcraft, specifically the colorway. It is 75-25 superwash merino. So 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It is 4-ply, 100% grams. Sock fingering weight, 463 yards. For best results, hand wash in cold water, dry flat. SockObsessionsYarns.com. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook. So there's 463 yards in each one. So far, what I've noticed is I need about 4 to get a long sleeve sweater for myself. So that's why I ordered 2 of these, so I can make sure I have a hat or some socks, and then I have my sweater using all the colors. So that's the idea. It's going to be more purple and compensating the purple so I can have some of that extra yarn of the green and the brown for my hat and the socks, which will be a whole separate video. But yeah, let's open these up, guys. Before I even open it, which one's your favorite? Are you a purple person? Are you a brown, earth tone, water person? Leave a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, you guys, so that way I can keep doing these types of videos for you. I love using and showing off these yarns for people who just can't afford them or who can't leave the house and stuff like that. So help me help you. Like, subscribe, share this channel, talk about it, put it on your Facebook or whatever, so that way the channel grows and I'm able to do this more often. All right, so first one here is Bioluminescence, guys. Let's open this. Oh, that pop of color, guys. I don't know how this person, Sock Obsessions yarn, you kill that. Like, look at that. It's blue, 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 and then boom, pop of color. That's nice. Look at that, how it just hits the natural sunlight, guys. This is insane. So really, really good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So that's Bioluminescence. Let's get Fairy Witchcraft. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. This next one is Curry On. So far we have Fairy Witchcraft and Bioluminescence, and now we're going to Carry On. God, this one was so nice when the light hit this one. This one's the one that, I'm an earth tone type of person. So browns and like this kind of brown is just, Crystal, if you're watching from Bago de Crochet, I know you love these kinds of colors. And this is right up your tea, right up your alley right now. Oh my god, you guys. Wow. Look at that. This has a very like, how do I call it? Bohemian, rainbow bohemian kind of feel to it. You know what I mean? Like tie-dye with cowboy, bohemian. Which is your favorite, guys? The brown, blue, purple. Last but not least, we have this one, which is, if I believe, Party Time. Wow, that's nice, guys. That bleed through the color. Ooh. Now I will say this one, out of all of them, this one's the most subtle in terms of the rainbow. Doesn't pop out as much as the other ones, but it is there. I think the other ones just have more neon. Like there's no orange in this one, I think. No, and there's orange in the other ones, I think, at least once. But this is nice too. And it plays very, very well off your eyes. All right, guys, so this was our unboxing of Sock Obsessions yarn. So right off the bat, what I can say for sure is this is definitely soft yarn. I have had sock yarn where it feels more nylon than the actual wool. You can tell that there's wool in this. So it's not itchy, but it has a certain, I want to say heaviness to it, thickness to it, in which you can tell that there's definitely wool in it. But it's still soft, it's scarfable, it's not itchy, not rubbing off on my fingers, none of the colors. But I will say so far, it's very high quality sock yarn. There's not that much stretch to it, even though it has nylon in it. So in terms of the thickness, I think this is a very good yarn for shawls for sure. It's gonna have a nice drape. It is kind of heavy, so just keep that in mind. There are some yarns that are thinner than others, but this is 4-ply, I believe it did say on the website. So yeah, this is our order for Sock Obsessions yarn. We have Party Time, Bioluminescence, Fairy Witchcraft, and Curry On. I wanted to get all of them because when I make my sweater, these 4 colorways are in the collection, I'm assuming, of this whole rainbow theme going on. So I wanted to make sure I got all of them so I can incorporate them into my sweater and hat and socks. So hopefully I have enough for all of that. That'll be in a separate video. Now, Fairy Witchcraft is her most popular one. That one always sells out fairly quickly. I had to wait about a month to get this one. So that's why I put the whole order in now, because she restocked it and I wanted to get it before it sold out. So hey guys, which one's your favorite? Are you a brown person, purple, blue, or green? This is a great variety in terms of aesthetic, because I know some people go towards more on the cool tones and not so much on the red tones or the darker tones, which is totally fine. But I think this is a very good spectrum to attract different people. And if you combine them all, hopefully you like the idea that I have. But for right now, this is gonna be so cool. And I'm very happy with this order. So it took under less than a week to get here, check. Website was easy to navigate, check. Is the yarn gray? Did it split on the way here or anything like that? No, so far so good. Does it feel soft? Yes. Will I order again? Most definitely.